Now, for Bengal, what they are doing? Nothing. Talking big. কিছু দেয়নি। যে ফ্রেট করিডোরের কথা বলেছে ডানকুনি থেকে, ওটা আমার রেলওয়ে বাজেটে 2009 I placed the budget. There you will see I have mentioned about Dankuni and Amritsar. That is not there, pending about these 15 years. Number 2, regarding 3 corridors they announced. We have already announced 6 economic corridors. It will include Dankuni to Bardhaman, to Bakura, to Durgapur, to Purulia. Other is Kalyani to Bardhaman, Birbhum, Malda, Siliguri, Kuchbiar. Other we have announced 6 economic corridors which is covered throughout the country, throughout the state. So what they said about 3 corridors, that is absolutely a garbage of lies, blatant lies. It is already on process.